Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
the
sir.
last standard students are SR group, isn't it? They are always saying only the word, except that word, I'm expecting something else. Okay, let me enter into the topic. Yesterday we have seen about the types of computer. Can you say what are the types of computer?
Digital computer, analog computer,
Hmm.
and
Hybrid
hybrid computer.
That was the projected at the screen. Very nice. Rajesh, I think you are now only you are coming into this class, no? Isn't it? Rajesh RK.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I just posted some video. You can go on through that video. Okay, that's website name also. Are you in the WhatsApp group? Are you there in
Yes,
the
sir.
WhatsApp group? Yeah, previous onwards, na, or now only you were added in this group.
Now only, sir.
Okay,
First
fine. One second. Yeah, okay. One second. I will just post the website. Our website. We created one website for our computer students itself. For our purpose. Okay. So let you go through that. You can see the missed online classes. 2 classes you missed, I think so. 4 classes.
Yes,
Among
sir.
the 3 classes is just the first class is introduction, and second 2 classes we just introduced into the topic. Slowly we injected into the topic. Now we are come to the topic. Okay. You can go through that video and material also too. Okay. It will help with you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Download the books also. Books also available, but it was old edition. But anyhow, it will useful for your reference. Okay. Both the books are available. Sumita Naro as well as the NCERT book. Okay. Fine. Okay,
Okay.
children, and let me go enter the topic. As one of the girls said, it was classified into 3 types. Okay. First is digital computer, and next is what we have seen yesterday, analog computer.
Computer.
And now we are going to see about the hybrid computer. Okay, so what is a digital computer? How the digital computer will take the inputs from the user? Can anyone explain? How the digital computer will take the input from user, that is from us? How it will take? Can you say that? No idea. Digital means what? Yeah, you're coming to tell something.
Through
Yes,
keyboard also.
through keyboard only, but in which data form or which way it will take? Everything will take the input through some input devices only. That is fine. Digital computer will always take the input in the form of digits. That is, a digit means in the sense of binary digits. Okay, that is called bit. Binary digit short form is bit. What is bit? Then again you
Zeros
don't
and
say
one.
it. Very nicely you said. Zeros and ones are called as bit or binary digit. Okay, that we have seen 8 bits equal to. Can you say 8 bits equal to what?
1 KB.
1 KB, 1 byte.
No, sir. No, sir.
1 by
Yeah,
1 byte.
1024 bytes equal to 1 KB. Likewise, 1024 KB equal to 1 MB, GB, then TB, then it goes and then extra byte, that is EB, that is afterwards YB till yottabyte. That is the last one so far we are using nowadays in the technology, yottabyte. Okay, YB. Okay, it is there. Okay, let me come to the that is digital. Okay, and analog computer we have discussed. Analog computer, in which form it will take the input? Can you say that? Analog computer,
Physical form.
physical quantity. Okay, it will take only the physical data. Physical data means in the form of physical form. It will take the heat as an input, water as an input. Okay, that is temperature, that is pressure. Okay, these things and all we have discussed. Okay, some applications also we have seen. Okay, how we are using the analog computer in day-to-day life. Okay, that also, for example, speedometer. That is one of the form of analog. That is drum will roll. Drum means
analog clock.
yes, analog clock also things. Yes, fine. Okay. Now we are going to into the topic of hybrid computer. As you know, the meaning of word, it having the characteristics of both analog and digital. Okay, that type of computers are called as hybrid computer. Where we have seen this type of hybrid computer means in the scientific areas, that is for laboratories, big scientific laboratories, and hospitals. Nowadays, all the things are it is in the, they are taking the analog, sorry, hybrid computer. Okay, why can't that is a robot is a robot we are using? No, that is it is another one concept, that is humanoid concept. But what is the thing? The base is hybrid. It will take the physical as an input, then it will process it. For example, the blood test and all, before it was done by the, what is that? Done by the people. The blood test technician, lab technician were there. Nowadays also it is there. But most of the hospitals are changed. That is computerized blood checkup. Likewise, they are saying no. Computerized body scan, everything is there. So if you just, it will take the machine. If you just put your hand, means it will just take the sample of your blood immediately. Within a minute, it will just give the result. Very accurate. That is very important thing. It will be more accurate than the manual work. Okay. For example, what is our blood group, count of hemoglobin, count of RBCs, WBCs, platelets, everything it will tell. Okay, what are the diseases we are having, and how is our that is level, blood level, BP, how it is, everything, whatever possibilities are there to tell the output. The computerized blood checking system will do it. Okay, that is an example for a hybrid computer, because it is taking the physical, na? That is, what is it, physical? Blood is a physical unit, no? Am I right? Taking it as a physical one, physical input, and based on the physical input, it will process that, then it produce the digital input, that is in the printout form or whatever thing, it's displayed in the screen. Have you understand what is the, can you understand, identify what is the hybrid computer? Can you able to identify that? Yeah. So
Yes.
it is more speedy than analog computer and accuracy of digital computer. That is, it has the two quantities. I already said it will take the both the characteristics of analog computer as well as the digital computer. Okay, so it is more expensive and it is more fast also and reliable also. The result which is produced by the hybrid computer is more reliable. So nowadays all the technologies, that is now the scientists are what is the thing, they are using to find the vaccine or medicine for COVID-19. No, so the type of, they are using this type of hybrid computers. Okay, that's what I've said. It all the type of labs, chemistry lab, yeah, that is a physics lab or whatever lab. Okay, that all the things, for example NASA, all those things, they are using the supercomputer. It is a foundation, it is a part is called as hybrid computer. Okay, where it was developed means from the hybrid computer only that this type of computers was developed. Okay, that's what it may accept the digital or analog signals. Digital computer means both we can type as a what is the thing, by numbers or alphabet. In that way also we can give the input, as well as analog signals, frequencies we can give, heat we can give, pressure we can give, or likewise I said no, blood samples, that is a physical. Okay, so that type of things also we can give. So that is another one example for hybrid computer. Okay, let me go to the next slide. Just a minute. And you can see generally the analog components provide efficient processing of different equations. That is, they are saying that it will take the input and it will process. That is a simplified manner I said to you. Okay, so that's what we are getting the benefit, both the characteristics, both the computer characteristic of analog as well as the digital. That's what they are coming to tell in the slide. And examples they are using, I already said, computer use it in hospitals to measure the heartbeat. Yeah, of course, ECG machines. That is a very modernized now. Okay, with that it automatically tells the blood pressure whether it is going low or not. Everything will be calculated by using that machines. Okay, nowadays we are using the ventilator. No, have you seen the ventilator? Ventilator means, can you identify that? Can anyone say? You studied biology, no, in the 10th standard. Hello, are you here? What is ventilator? Do you have any idea?
No, sir.
No, that, at least who said that? At least one of the boys said that. Rest of the students and all, very nicely you are watching and you are seeing your screen. Someone will tell like this. You don't wait for it. Okay, you want to be a somebody. Okay, don't give a chance for others to be a somebody. Okay, have you understood? Let you take the first step. You know that one story, Neil Armstrong and another one person. I also forgot his name. That's what we are forgot his name. Okay. In between, first time they are sending to the moon. Actually, it was planned by the second person. No, for example, the person X, the second person. Okay. He planned that. He gave the NASA given the instruction. You have to first lay down on the moon, but he have the fear was gripped him. Okay, that's what he hesitated to whether we can able to get out from the that is a rocket or not. Whether we can get from come out from the spaceship or not. That's he's thinking. That the small minute, in the small minute, Neil Armstrong, what he did, okay, whatever it may be, whether I will leave or not, I will just snap my, what is the thing, feet on the moon landing. It's the first. Then everybody just, we are praising about him, isn't it? Even I told
Yes,
you.
sir.
So you want to be a Neil Armstrong, okay? Don't take that. If anybody, any question is asking, like a rapid fire round, you have to spontaneously you want to answer it, okay? That type of students, I like it very much, and that I need that involvement, okay? So from my side alone, if I be active means it will not be fine. From your side also, I am expecting such type of cooperations, okay? Will you do it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that
Yes,
only
yes,
one.
sir.
Yeah. Either you are doing the chorus or yes sir only you are saying, isn't it? Rest of the thing you won't do, no? Isn't it? That is also yes sir. Yes sir only you will say no. No audio from their part. Okay, then I will ask you. I will call one by one. Then I will ask you the question. Okay, let me go to the next slide. Okay. Hybrid computer exhibit the features of the both. I already said that in real-time speed. For example, nowadays we are using all the things. For example, real-time speed of another computer as well as accuracy. That we discussed the same point. Okay, the example they given HIDAC 2400. It was a hybrid computer released by EAI. Okay, that is a old computer. Nowadays, more supercomputers and all we are using it. Let me go to the next one. Okay, there was used in 1963 hybrid computer. What a old picture. See how was the computer? How much big size is it? Could you understand the size?
So what is EAI, sir?
That I will tell the full form. I also want to search it. EAI, I also
Okay, sir.
want to search it. Okay, 1963 it was this type of computer were used. Okay, can you get this picture? See how it was. And now the hybrid computer, GPS. Nowadays we are using the GPS, no, even in our car. We can easily start our car and find the location of our car, isn't it? How it is possible? The type of another digital computer. Digital computer will produce car is a physical device, isn't it? But they are using the quantity that is a quantity characteristics of digital computer. Both it is combined. We are using the GPS technology. Now voice recognition also we are using the car, isn't it? Have you seen that in the advertisement? Have you seen or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What do you think? Can you say that?
It's a computer.
Computer you have seen.
Hybrid computer.
Okay, what it is doing? No idea. Okay, one of the students asked EAI, Enterprise Application Integration. That is a full form for that. Enterprise Application Integration, EAI. Okay, have you got it, Pa? Rest of students also do.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So nowadays a hybrid computer, wherever, see now before it was used as a tablet. No, I mean computer. Now the tab is come. That is, it will be very flexible. Even we can do whatever physical activity also within the tab. Okay, and that is GPS is one of the signal. Now we are saying open the sunroof means if you are giving the voice command, it will open it. Open the door means the door will be open in the car. Okay, isn't it correct now? Start, if you are saying means by saying the word start means what is happening? The car automatically the engine has ignited and the engine has started to pump the car, isn't it? Have you seen such type of advertisement in your TV? Hello.
yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir only. I know that. No, I said already. You people only say what? Yes, sir. Other than that, I don't know. There's some things I just keeping in your hand. Okay. The third image you can see we are using such type of ECG machines and ventilators. Ventilator, let I come to that tell. It will provide the oxygen level, proper oxygen level to our lungs. Okay, that is to our body. Okay, so the type of nowadays the ventilator stock is more scarcity. Okay, due to the COVID people, positive people are more. So the critical is going to situation is very pathetic. Okay, that's what this type of ventilation machine will keep our it regulate our oxygen flow of oxygen supply. Okay, normally our lungs want to get the oxygen level in proper way. If it is less means what will happen? We will get faint or even we will go for oxygen supply is very less to our brain means what will happen? The brain will death or else it leads to coma. Have you studied in your lower classes? Now shall I say the answer? Yes, sir. Is it your answer? Is it? People are very interesting. Okay, let me go to that. Now, no, that also not. Okay, have you got that now? What is the meaning of a hybrid computer? There we are using in the real time. Have you seen that? Have you got some idea about real hybrid computer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Okay, the digital computer. Now we are going to the another concept. Again, we are coming to the digital computer. The digital computer, it is having the subclassification. Let you see, it is subclassified into 4 types. You can see micro computer, mini computer, mainframe computer, supercomputer. Okay. So I already said whatever we are using, it is a digital computer. But among it is the digital computer itself subclassified into 4 types: micro, mini, mainframe, supercomputer. Microcomputer and all what we are using, laptop, desktop, all the compute, notepad, that is we are taking the tablet. Okay, the type of computer, this is come under the category of microcomputer. Okay, mini computer means we are using for example in factories, in big factories we are using, in big industries we are using servers. Have you heard the word server? No, sir. Is it? Have you heard the
Yes,
word
sir.
server? Where you heard? In hotel, isn't it? Is it?
No, sir. No, sir.
Where you heard this word?
Please understand.
I want to make you people want to talk with me, but you are not. You are very much hesitating to talk. Why I don't know. Okay, server means, for example, whenever net speed is more. Have you seen your 10th standard result in computer, in your mobile phone or computer or wherever? In 10th standard
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
that
sir.
time you may
Yes,
face
sir.
some problem. The loading of the site will be what? It will be very slow. The site will not be opened as it is fast, isn't it? Did you face any difficulties? Have you faced any difficulties while you are seeing your 10th result?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, yes, sir. What difficulty you faced? what
Sir,
are the, yeah, tell me, man. Rajesh, very nice.
server is not defined.
Server not found. Okay. So
Website
actually,
saying,
what
sir.
happened to know in this time while the
Server error.
server error, such type of errors are coming. So have you heard the word server? Server means it's a big type of computer. It's having more than one processor. Its processing speed is more high. It will process a millions of records in a second, in a fraction of second. Okay, that's what we are saying. Its speed is more high compared to our laptop, our desktop. Okay, have you understand? So it is more speed. Our computer itself, it is more speed. We cannot run like our computer. Okay, it will process more. Okay, then server is more than that. Okay, double times or triple times of this our normal computer. It will process a millions of instruction in one. It is in a second. In a second means what? That is a 1 second. 1 second gone. Okay, so in that minute, in the second, in this time, it will process that much of. It is having the capability. That's what I'm saying. It having the capacity to execute that much of instruction. That is very speed and also very accuracy. It will produce the result in very accuracy. The data processing and all, it will be more in the what type of computer? Server type of computer. Okay, server is a head for a lot of computers. Okay, for example, the CBSE having the server. Through the server only, what they are going to do? What they are doing? They are publishing the result. Okay, for example, what we are doing? We are opening our computer, where we are opening the browser in our mobile. We are typing the site are searching in the Google and connecting to the site. Okay, the site is where the website is. It is in that server. The type of computers are called as mini computer. Examples are server are the example for mini computer. Okay, then mainframe computer. Let me come to the next one. Mainframe computer. It is they are using in the banking systems. Okay, banking system and railway system, big transport systems. Okay, and hospital management systems. Okay, for example, a group of networks of things, they are using the mainframe. Okay, for example, if you want to say the real-time example means all the ATMs are connected to the server. All the servers are connected to one mainframe. That is, mainframe is a type of computer. I'm saying that. Okay. So whether you heard it or not, I don't know, but you should hear it. As now you are a computer science student, you should know that all the details. You should just browse it. Take your mobile phone at evening, just spend half an hour. Don't browse more than that. Okay. You are spending more than time in Instagram or WhatsApp. I don't know whether you are in the Facebook or not. More than that, you are spending, of course, in Facebook, Instagram, and I don't know, so and so. Am I right? Are you using like that?
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
nothing wrong. Nothing wrong to be in the Instagram, to be in the Facebook. But what we need to do, we should know our behavior, how we are behaving in the website, that is in the social media. Frequently, don't post all those things. Okay, most of the crimes are happening. How you know? Through our Instagram post, through our what's it? Facebook post, through our WhatsApp status. Have you know it or not? Do you know it?
Yes, sir.
Can you say that? Yeah, please. Any one instance which you faced, or any one instance you can say that. Now, who said yes? Aditya, is it you? Or who said yes? That's what, sir. Now, that's what we are not even saying yes, sir. Is it? You people are hesitating to talk with me, is it? Hello. In classroom also you be like that.
No, sir.
Sir. Except yes, that's what I'm saying. Everyone just unmuted. Then the question is not goes to somebody. It is coming to you only. Okay, you want to answer it. Okay, just the interaction. You are not having the basic interaction. For example, I'm having the taking the class. I will complete all the slides in one class itself. Then what is the thing? I want to be act as a robot. How robot will act? It will come. It will do its work. That's all. It won't be. We don't have any relation. No, that is, we should have some good rapport among us. Okay, then only we have the mutual. Okay, these are all my children. I want to take care about them. Likewise, we should have some good relationship. Okay, that's what I'm just trying to do. But you are not at all talking. One of the boy has started to talk, Rajesh, but now I don't know. Rajesh, are you here? And Aditya also. Now he's not talking.
Hearing, sir.
Yeah, fine. Hearing only.
Hearing, sir.
Hearing. Okay, fine. How's the weather there in your places? It was cloudy or what?
Cloudy, sir.
Cloudy. That's what you are having some hot samosa? Is it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, let you just speak out. That's what I'm trying to do it, but you are not at all. You be quiet. Oh, very nice. You are creating such a wonderful environment for me. What is the environment? You are creating no disturbance. I will complete the portion within a week also too. But I don't know how far you are understanding or not. Okay, let me come to the topic. Okay, that's what mainframe computers and all. I will tell one example. Are you visiting the ATM? Have you taken any amount from ATM? At least you are gone with your that is went to with your father or somebody to take
Yes,
amount.
sir.
Yes, sir.
What are the
Yes,
operations?
sir.
Can
Watched,
anyone say
but
that? Yeah, Rajesh, can you explain how we want to take the amount from ATM? That is how to withdraw the money through
sir,
ATM.
I don't know, sir, but I
You
watched.
don't know.
But
Who know that?
no, sir.
Oh, you
Sir,
people
first,
are. Yes, please. Yes.
sir, first put the ATM card and remove, sir.
Okay.
Next, ask what amount you take, sir.
Okay. Fine. Yes.
Uh,
Hmm.
next, ask password, sir.
Okay, pin number.
Sir, pin number, sir.
Okay.
Then money will come, sir.
Oh, then money will come. Okay, fine.
No,
Yes, sir.
sir. It's
No,
a
sir.
big process.
Yes.
Kind of a little
Ah,
more process. Like first
yeah.
you have to swipe your card, and
Okay,
then it will ask you for the language you want to choose,
fine.
and then you have to go
Ah.
to. I just forgot. It's been a long time. I didn't use ATM. I think
It
so.
will show the multiple options, whether we
Savings,
need to go for mini statement
savings
or
account
yeah.
or savings account or current account something, and
Super.
then you have to
Yes, yes.
write the write how much money you want to
Okay.
withdraw, and then you
Okay.
have to write a pin number and then with the receipt.
Fine, fine. Yes, I really appreciate Aditya and Mridula shared the very good thought. Okay, so what I'm coming to tell in this concept of mainframe means once we withdraw the amount, immediately we get the SMS, or else after sometimes also it will be late. Okay, so we are getting the SMS. When next time, if you are going to another ATM to withdraw, for example, we visited one ATM. For example, I will take me as an example. I went one ATM center that I withdrawn some 10,000 amount or whatever amount. Then again I am visiting to another ATM. I am withdrawing some sum of amount. Okay, some good lump sum amount. I am just withdrawing. Okay, immediately what is happening? My account will be get updated. Do you know? For example, my bank will be in some other place. Suppose my bank branches it was in Chennai. Okay, I went to I came to Kadalur. Okay, then I am withdrawing some amount. How the bankers know it? It is so far distance. No, I just I'm going to North India. Okay, then I'm withdrawing some amount from there. I went to Kashmir. Okay, so in that ATM I'm just withdrawing 10,000 amount. How the banker Chennai's person know that? So first of all, I'm having 20,000. After I withdraw 10,000, how it's very clearly exactly it's showing you have 10,000 only. How who is updating this work? Any person?
No, sir.
Computer.
Computer. Okay, any person running from Kashmir to Chennai? Isn't it like a lightning speed? No. So that's what I'm coming to tell. So it is managed. It is managed by a one mainframe computer. Okay. So each ATM is a computer. Have you know it or not? It is a computer. Okay. It is properly 24/7. It is connected with the high speed internet connectivity. Okay, nowadays you can see not nowadays, in previous days, little bit of 5 or 10 years back, I mean 5 years back, you can able to recall means recall it. You can see one like a this type of antenna they may kept over the ATM, that is what is the thing, the building. Have you seen? Nowadays not, before it was. Have you seen ever some dish antenna, DTH antenna, like such type of antenna will be set up on over the ATM building, that block building? Have you seen? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Oh, you said that you have. I
No,
think
sir.
very nice people. Aditya have seen. I think so. Okay, nice. If you not seen also, for example, previous they are using the MAN technology. That is Metropolitan Area Network. They have used. Nowadays, all the things are very fiber optics. Fiber optics means it is very speedy to connect the data. Okay, so all the computers are connected to the headquarters of the bank. That bank having the mainframe computer. Okay, mainframe computer is a very huge. It's like a room. Okay, that much of big space. Storage space is more. Processor space are more. Okay, that I will share my experience. Once I got the chance to visit the mainframe computer, I will tell the story. Okay, it was I visited in Chennai Indian Bank. Okay, one mainframe computer. I will share my experience in tomorrow class. Okay, because 1 minute is there. That's what I said like that. Okay, it was more it is capacity speedy is more, and storage space also is more. Okay, it is another type of more than that mini computers. Okay, so let me discuss about the rest of things. Okay, the digital computer classified how many types? Can you say?
4 types.
What are they?
4,